Have you ever noticed no matter how many hours you work, your income still seems to start over again every single month? I played that game for over 20 years until I finally understood that time freedom wasn't going to come by cramming in more hours on the clock or waiting until I was 65. Time freedom can only happen one way, and that's with leverage. By disconnecting your time from your income, where instead of starting over at zero every month, you start with another deposit of recurring revenue from work you've already done. This is called compounding income, and it's what truly gives you time freedom. It's a mathematical impossibility to achieve this by continuously starting over at zero. Even lottery winners many times end up worse off because all they ever knew was how to sell their time and spend their money. That changes for you today. If we haven't met yet, I'm Jarid. I've run an AI automation agency for over 3 years, helping regular people build recurring revenue with software and AI. Now, I don't claim to know everything about making money online, but I will certainly share with you what's working today. We're going to see the exact AI-powered system that I use in my agency so you can generate recurring revenue for yourself and more income for the people that pay you. And don't worry, you don't need any crazy tech skills. There's no cold calling or spammy tactics. And no, I don't have a course to sell you. I'm going to cover one of the main systems we use. There are others, but this video would be like 3 hours long. So if you want free access to all the AI tools we use, simply like, subscribe, comment AI down below, and I'll send you a link to our entire AI toolbox absolutely free. Now, before we go sit on the beach with all our newfound free time, we need to understand one fundamental rule of making money. And that is, if you want to make a lot of money, you have to solve an expensive problem, full stop. So what's an expensive problem that we can solve that will unlock all of this for us? Well, have you ever searched for a business on Google Maps? Of course you have. What's one of the first things you look at to decide which business to click on? Typically, the reviews and the star rating. You probably haven't clicked on too many 3-star businesses unless they were your only option. Now, let's flip the script. Imagine you're the 3-star business owner. You do great work, you got plenty of happy customers, but you're very busy and you don't always remember to ask customers for reviews. So you only have a few reviews, but one of them is a 1-star from a guy who was mad simply because the front desk person didn't smile at him that day. Now, that one bad review, when you don't have all the good reviews from the rest of your customers, it tanks your entire star rating, which causes fewer people to click, but even worse, Google then lowers your rank in search results, so even fewer people find you to begin with. Now, switching back, this is happening to small businesses in your town right now. And according to the U.S. Census Bureau, there are over 10 million new small business registrations in the U.S. every single year. That means this problem and the opportunity in solving it is only going to keep getting bigger. So, how do we get paid to solve this? And how much money are we really talking about? We solve this problem with a simple plug-and-play AI-powered system with one click to connect to Google Maps. And once connected, it will automatically send review requests to every single customer. It'll then use AI to write personalized responses to each review. It can detect spam reviews and even notify the business owner if a negative review comes in so they can address it. And here's the best part for us. Because AI is so new, hardly any business has this yet. Imagine you're talking to the owner of your favorite restaurant or your mechanic, and you say, hey, I can help you get more 5-star reviews so you get more customers. What business owner is going to say no to that? Now, before I show you the demo, let's talk about the money. Say you charge $1,500 for the setup. Now, people are charging way more for AI, but let's just keep it conservative. Then $400 a month for the recurring, ongoing AI service. You only have to set this up once, and then it runs on autopilot. So say you get 3 clients, that's $4,500 up front, $1,200 a month recurring. 10 clients, $15,000 up front, and $4,000 a month recurring, and so on and so forth. No more trading hours for dollars because each new customer stacks on top of the last, so you're not starting over every month at zero. Let me show you how this works. All the business owner has to do is click right here to sign into their Google account, and the AI will be connected. Then come over here to settings, click on auto responses. You can choose your wait time before responding. Default setting is an hour, which is fine. You just might not want it firing off a request the second the transaction is completed. And right down here is where you turn on your AI agent. There's no coding for any of this. The templates are already here. There's pre-made agents for good reviews and for bad reviews. We'll go with Taylor Sailor here for optimistic. Click proceed. It tells you right here, here's the agent's instructions. You will be provided with reviews of a business. Reply to the reviews with a focus on customer success, highlighting how the business values feedback and is committed to continuous improvement. Keep the responses 2 lines or under. And you can choose here what star rating you want this particular agent to reply to. We'll just have it set for all reviews. Don't need to make things complicated. And right here, we can generate an AI response. So this is just a demo, but it would be in context to what the person said. Thank you, Liam. We're thrilled to hear you enjoyed your experience, and we're committed to making family gatherings more memorable. And that's it. Hit save. The bot is ready. It's connected, and you're good to go. You can customize messaging or how things look or whatever the business owner may want specifically, but this is all it takes to go live. Literally just a few clicks, and reputation management for the business is now on autopilot. So guys, if you want to start doing this today for free, just comment AI down below. I'll send you my complete training library that walks you step by step through setting up the system, plus a free 30-day trial of the AI software so you can have time to land your first client without any money out of pocket. And if you like, subscribe, and share this video, I will send you a link for a one-on-one live setup call so you can get everything set up the right way as quickly as possible. And if you want to learn even more, click here to watch a live extended deep dive I did on this entire business. I'll see you on the inside.